Everybody, it's Kelly. So we had our van worked on a couple days ago, and we had the bumpers finally put on. We have a back front bumper there, as you can see. It's a chrome bumper. Um, we had it waxed and everything else here in the local area. We get the back bumper here, as you can see. The back bumper is very cute. We try to keep them as small as we can, but they are chrome. They're welded to the frame, and they cost 5,000 pesos each for one. The back bumper is 5,000 pesos, and the front bumper was 5,000 for a total of 10,000 pesos. And we saved up for about a year to get it done. It's about $200 US dollars. And as you can see, they did a really good job. These are welded to the frame. These are not bolted to the frame. And let's get a little closer up look at them here as I come in closer to the van. Okay, so let's take a look around this van. Oh, by the way, this is a DA64V 2019 Suzuki Multicab. As we're walking around it here, take a look at the bumper. That right there is the free rack that we waited for about 3 weeks to get in. And it seemed like it took forever to get in. This van is a 1600cc fuel-injected motor in it, and it seats 5 people. This is a 5-speed manual transmission on the dash, which is really good because I don't like the manual the gear shift on the in the center because I'm so tall that it rubs my leg. I don't like that. Okay, so we're going to move around here to the back. Well, they really did a good job on that paint. I really like that paint. And of course, there's the back bumper, which again welded to the frame. These are 5,000 pesos each for the bumper itself. The installation was free, and I did stand on these bumpers when they put them on, and I didn't even budge. They did a really good job. Okay, here's the front part. And these are just upgrades to our van. As you can see, it's a round tubular. They call them grills. I call it a bumper, but they call it a grill here when I was getting on. When I was trying to tell them I wanted to put a new bumper on, they said, what's a bumper? Well, they call that a grill. So I got the grill on it, and I really like the way the job they did on it. I like the design that they had. You could order your own design. They can actually make it to your specifications at this place where I bought the van. But they had this in stock, and I really liked it. Now, I was showing here where they put 3 fingers in. All their vans are done by 3-finger space between the bumper and the vehicle. So in case you wanted to wonder how close. And I love my rims. I don't know why. They're cute little rims. Those are 13-inch rims. Now, next month, we are going to a bigger tire or a rim. Maybe go up to a 15-inch. I'm trying to get it to open the door. We have a sliding door. We got sliding doors on both sides of the van, and it is a mess in there, so we're not going to actually go inside the van this time. Go around to the back and open that up. Let's see what's in here. Liam. There's our little Liam. Hi, Liam. I wanted to get to a place where it was nice and sunny, but also some shade, and so I had to go back behind the market where we buy our food, and that's where we're at now. Okay, and I guess that's about it as far as the upgrade. I'm just really pleased with what they did with the van. I think they did a wonderful job of getting it on there, and when they put it on, though, they said it wouldn't take very long. It ended up taking us 4 hours. We sat over there at the auto store where we had it done for 4 hours. But it was well worth the wait. When you look at it now, it was well worth it. They did a really good job. Very solid work. So I have no complaints on it. And I'll come show you here in a moment where we bought the van. So if anybody's interested in getting any work done for bumpers, that's it right there. Sakura Auto Trading in Mandawi, Cebu, Philippines. Okay, I thought we'd do a little walkthrough here with a clean vehicle. As you can see, it's got a thick rubber pad here. Underneath the pad, it's got new carpet in there, which is still brand new, even after about 8 or 9 months of owning the vehicle. Here's a view from the back seat to the front. It's got a lot of leg room. I'm 6'5" and I fit in this thing great. Here's a driver's side. Now I have the crank windows. I prefer those better because here in the Philippines, the electronic windows seem to always short out on me on Bluey. They were terrible, so I rather have the manual crank ones. These covers here for the seats were made. As you can see, the color is yellow and gray. I don't know why they put a yellow and gray, but the seats are brand new underneath there. I just figured I'd leave them in there. Now here we are on the passenger side, and it's just as clean. Again, they got the same rubber thick mat. It's about a 1/4 inch thick rubber heavy mat, and it's got new gray carpet underneath. The dashboard is two-tone color, as you can see. It's got the dark gray here, and then it's got the lighter gray on the outside. And then my favorite is, well, not that. That's just the stereo and the cheap remote. But it's the gear shift right there on the dashboard. I really like that. Clears it up from my legs because I'm a tall guy. I'm 6'5". I have plenty of leg room in here, but I don't. But it rubs on the side if it was in between the seats, so I don't like that. Now in the back we got two shoulder straps. You got one there and one on the other side, and in the very center of the seat you have a third person seat belt there.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way.
Tell me what you think about your van.
Very pretty, like me and Char.
Yes, you are very pretty. I think you're gorgeous.
Char. Yeah. If we clean all the time, maintain cleanliness in this van.
Maintenance isn't too expensive. I like that. Maintenance is not too bad on her. 750 pesos, $14 for a wax, cleaning wax. We usually wax.
Interruption.
Yeah. Oh boy. We usually wax Kitty about once a month or once every other month. What, hon?
But we need to.
Oh boy, you got num num. Mommy gave you a snack? Wow,
but
pretty
we
cool.
Need to clean the inside
every week.
Because Liam,
we have to.
He's always eating here inside, and then the mga foods.
And mice come up through the bottom of the van. Well, we haven't had a mouse in here yet. We did because we found the
papers.
Dash here. I opened it up and we turned on the van. Little bitty paper shot out, and I'm like, what in the world is this paper? It's shredded paper. And we found paper on the floorboard down here. And what happened was the mouse came in through the wheel well in the back, and it was making a nest in our dash. So we put down this. It's actually fly paper. It's actually fly paper, sticky fly paper. It comes in like a book sheet, like a regular sheet of paper. And we put it on the floor with some peanut butter in the middle, and we caught the little booger.
You caught no?
Yeah, I caught that little booger. We got him and took him out and cleaned everything.
And because we did not use this one for how many weeks? 2 weeks because of the pandemic before.
Yeah, we didn't use it either.
We have a schedule if we go to market. There's our schedule. So every 2 weeks now we go there, or for 1 month we go market 2 times only.
Then we also drive up to the province, up to our property. So that is our that's our update on our van. Hope you enjoyed this little update. I know it's a short video. We're going to be making more videos, so stay tuned. We got a birthday coming up Thursday, which is Liam's birthday, out at Cocoa Palms. Wow. We'll probably make a nice family video then, and then we'll put it on up. We'll put that video up. So until I talk to you again, I'm Kelly.
I'm Ann.
And we'll see you on our next Philippine adventure.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.